Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone Smart 9 HD with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.7 inches HD plus punch hole dynamic bar display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 90.2% screen-to-body ratio, 500 nits. Peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.85, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.0. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 Go Edition operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of OS 14 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual core Cortex A53 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A53, powered by MediaTek Helio G36 12 nanometer chipset, paired with pubg 8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 77.1 by 8.35 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options metallic black, neo titanium, coral gold, mint green colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, powerful 5-meter LED flashlight brighten up emergencies, infrared remote control support, and with FM radio support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix Smart 9 HD has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 25,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix Smart 9 HD smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.